not even looking. I'm about to hang up.
What's the he's using
I'm still showing you the same thing.
you want to see some more? No.
They got the. Ooh.
Gonna get you right now.
Oh, I felt that. That is so dope. Oh my god. You see the penguin over there and all this stuff on the floor? And this big one right here.
Oh,
there's one over there.
Danny.
Kayla Allen's name.
I read by my job. I don't know the address. I was literally walking to the train station. Huh? West 43rd Street. And Fifth Avenue. You hear me? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna call you back real quick. Okay? Oh, I'm just wasting it. Oh, hi. Oh, sure.
Yeah, so these are free, and then here's a handout about stuff at Brookfield Place, which is a property downtown on Vesey Street.
Okay.
All the arts programming is free. This is just chocolate.
Okay.
But yeah, there's like a really cool display called Luminaries, like an art light show. So yeah.
Okay, thank
come
you.
join us. Thank you.
You know, I'm not gonna eat this cookie, but she gave it to me, so. Oh, look. Lion.
Holy, what the fuck, dude?
On the probably more stuff. The Lion King. These are Yeti. The Yeti. Damn, how rude do you be? I'm right in front of me. God.
Y abajo son unos pececitos también.
I don't know if it's a bundle.
Oh, that's like from Lion King.
Yeah, a little more light for you.
That looks like the from Lion King. That's dope. So nice. Really just see more fork and I'm walking past them. see everybody standing right here. I'm like, what is going on over here? And the lady was like, car heisting. I was like, oh, ice carving. I was like, nice. Lion King for me. Look at the Lion King.
I would wear theirs because ice could turn into snow.
Oh, I'm taking pictures.
Live ice carving happening now until 7. Oh, I love
The food truck. They sell halal food. Steak. And stuff. I'm not buying nothing. I'm just showing y'all. I'm about to go home. I'm tired.
Why you didn't say that?
Why he just kept it hot? Busy. Another one right here. Oh, this is a hot dog spot. Oh, and the shish kebab. What do you call it? I'm not saying what you call it. I could never know how to pronounce that. Shish kebab. I know what I'm talking about. And Bryant Park is over there, and I am going on the train. Oh, my legs is pink. Peanut. Like chocolate with marshmallow on it. Let me eat some of those now. This is the next day.
Today at 12 to 1 p.m. These are from last night's
You heard what you said from last night, though. A little melted. The beer. Look at the lion over there. I go to work. I'm running late. I'm running a little late and I'll stop here. I'm literally on that block, so I'm good. Woo. STK Steakhouse. Right by my job. I just might all in my face. Outdoor dining. Good morning. Oh, these people. Like, cigarette smoking affects me so much. I don't know why, giving me a headache, but it really does. Inside is. Alright. Off to work now.